So ETH is money right now.
So with that said, do you have a price prediction for ETH at the peak of this respective bull run?
Yeah, I mean, I think it goes over 20.
Welcome to Dream Richer. What are the best crypto coins to buy? Today, Raoul Pal shows his crypto portfolio and every coin he is invested in right now. According to Raoul Pal, predicting the price action of any coin with exact precision is impossible. This is why it's very important to be diversified into several crypto coins that have the right use case, technology, and community support to potentially do well over time. With the rise of social media, it has become very easy to become a prey of mindless crypto advice and start gambling into coins without doing your own research. There are many considerations that go into picking the right crypto coin, but I want to share just two of those considerations for now, which you can use even if you are a beginner. Number 1, the community. A big part of a cryptocurrency's success is its following. So look out for cryptocurrencies with strong communities and loyal followers, because that shows people have a genuine interest and belief in the cryptocurrency. And number 2, the team. One of the top things you can research is the cryptocurrency's team. In fact, researching and vetting the team behind a cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors you can look into. This means asking questions like, who is behind the cryptocurrency? Do you trust in their expertise? Are they ambitious? Do they have a proven track record of success? If you find the video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it.
Now, can you tell us what's in your crypto portfolio? And I'm assuming it's maybe a lot, so maybe your top coins that you're holding. You mentioned Ethereum.
It's fascinating. So my structure of how I built my portfolio is I started with Bitcoin, moved to Ethereum, switched most of my Bitcoin into Ethereum. And then I built a basket of alternatives, and I just took an equally weighted basket of like 10, large cap, because I don't know, and then I watched it. I added Solana at some point into that, and didn't do anything else, just left it like that. What's fascinating is my second largest holding now, from an equally weighted basket, second to Ethereum, Sandbox. I haven't bought any. It just went up 20x in the last month and a half, which is crazy. I mean, I would not have my second largest. I would not take that position, the second largest position in Sandbox, but that's where it is. And I'm not rebalancing for the time being. I'm just letting this phase play out and see where these things go. So yes, it's a mix. And so I've got some DeFi protocols, the usual Aave and whatever, stuff like Uniswap. And then I've got stuff like Polkadot, just all the stuff you'd expect. Right now it's highly observable that the Ethereum network is growing faster than the Bitcoin network, and Solana and Terra and Avalanche are growing faster than Ethereum, but from a lower base. That's fine. So they're all growing. And the Bitcoin network is growing. So every one of those is growing.
As Raoul Pal argues, there's never been a better time to be invested in Ethereum. Regardless of Bitcoin maximalists arguing against Ethereum succeeding in the long term, but the numbers don't lie. Ethereum's network has seen twice the growth compared to Bitcoin. In November last year, 2021, ETH surged to 510% compared to only a 93% gain for BTC. Unlike Bitcoin, you won't see Ethereum described as digital gold. Rather, Ethereum is a software platform that allows developers to build other crypto-oriented apps on it. To use Ethereum, developers have to buy and pay fees to the network in Ethereum's native digital currency, Ether. By buying Ether, investors in Ethereum are essentially betting that the continued use and expansion of the Ethereum network will mean more and more developers trying to get in. With that said, could we see Ethereum take over Bitcoin with the release of Ethereum 2.0? Comment below what you think.
Everybody has to realize is whatever people think the narrative is in Bitcoin, about Bitcoin being money, the reality is the medium of exchange in Web 3.0 is ETH. I mean, all NFTs are priced in ETH. Sotheby's are doing art auctions in ETH. DeFi is based in ETH generally. The metaverse is in ETH. I even commissioned a headquarters for Real Vision in Crypto Voxels. We got a metaverse architects firm to build it. They charge us an ETH. So ETH is money right now.
So with that said, do you have a price prediction for ETH at the peak of this respective bull run?
Yeah, I mean, I think it goes over 20,000, and I have done for a long time. And there's a potential for even further because of the staking dynamics and stuff. But my general view is that it goes to 20,000. That was, and I say that with a relative level of confidence. That's just a repeat of what Bitcoin did in 2017. It kind of overlays pretty well. It's not perfect. It was perfect for a while. The charts were like spooky tick for tick. Now they're not, but contextually kind of makes sense for me. It's only a 4x from here. I mean, we've seen Bitcoin do 4x in, or ETH last cycle did, 4x, 5x, 6x in the last month of the year. Bitcoin's adoption is relentless for different reasons. It's a great balance sheet asset. It's a savings asset. It's a long-term vehicle. It has that, incredible qualities to it. And I think adoption just continues relentlessly over time. So I don't see any change to that whatsoever, even if the layer 2 doesn't really take off, even if they don't build smart contracts on it, I don't think it matters. I think Bitcoin has its value proposition and people are pretty comfortable with it. And it's very different to Ethereum. It stands in its own, and it's universally accepted for what it is. So my price prediction is, I still think it gets to about somewhere between 200,000 and 300,000. Well, look, I mean, I'm looking at my screen. As of today, Bitcoin is up 95% this year. Ethereum's up 517% this year. And XRP that's on my screen is up 335% this year. I know the institutions are all coming. They're all involved. But I think a lot of them are like, 2022, yeah, we're going to allocate to Bitcoin.
It's clear from Raoul Pal's explanation that diversification is the key to increasing your likelihood of seeing higher returns in crypto market. This includes coins like Bitcoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Uniswap, XRP, with a mix of metaverse and GameFi tokens, and of course, Ethereum, which Raoul believes to be the key player of this bull run. According to Raoul Pal, we could see Ethereum potentially hit $20,000. Other experts have said that Ethereum's price will be even more volatile than Bitcoin in the coming months of this year, mainly because Ethereum is transitioning its technology to a less energy-intensive version that insiders colloquially refer to as Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum's upgrades could make it more appealing, and hence it could see greater adoption, meaning higher price for Ethereum. Do you agree with Raoul Pal's opinion? To learn more about the latest crypto news, watch these videos here.